Okay, feel this.
That's cool.
It is really cool, isn't it?
Is that printed on a rock?
It is printed on a rock.
Legit?
Legit. It's printed on a rock on our desk.
This is the eufyMake E1, and it's kind of breaking my brain a little. It's a UV printer. It prints on over 300 materials. We're talking plastic, wood, metal, glass, even leather.
Rocks, mugs, acrylic, ceramic.
And it fits on our desk. I mean, the textures are real. Like, you can legit feel the detail on this thing. You feel it?
You really can. It's got 1440 DPI, AI-powered design tools, and over 20,000 built-in templates.
And we are absolutely going to destroy some perfectly good household items trying this bad boy out.
You mean we're going to upgrade some household items?
Yeah, we'll see. The full breakdown is coming in just a minute. But first,
what are we printing next?
let's talk about this desktop printer that's honestly changed the way we think about making stuff at home.
This is the eufyMake E1. It's a UV printer, and before you click away because you think you know what a printer is,
you don't. Seriously, not this kind of printer.
For decades, UV printers were strictly in the industrial world. They lived on factory floors, were massive and imposing, with price tags starting at $50,000.
So really the closest thing that a regular person like us could get was the Epson V1070, which is a great machine. We've seen it at trade shows, but it's $9,000 with a smaller print area, no Mac support, and the alignment system is basically manual. And I hear it's really hard to learn.
And the eufyMake E1 starts at $22.99. It sits on a desk. It works on both Mac and PC, and it has a built-in camera that figures out alignment for you.
And it works pretty well. So basically it's the same category of technology with a fraction of the barrier to entry. Felicia, what makes the eufyMake E1 so different?
Well, there are a couple of competitors people ask us about all the time. The Xtool 01 Omni, which looks very interesting, but as of right now, it's not available to buy. The Eufy E1 is available right now.
There's also that longer ePrint. You've probably seen the ads. It has dual print heads, faster white ink stacking, open ink system, whatever. And it's genuinely compelling on paper, but still also in the crowdfund stage and not in your hands.
And the eufyMake E1 was actually the most funded Kickstarter in history.
Yep.
Over $46 million. It's now a real product in retail with a support system right behind it.
And Eufy is backed by Anker, the same global company behind half the Apple iPhone chargers and accessories that you probably already own. We saw them in the Apple store yesterday. And that really matters when something goes wrong.
Just like cars, appliances, computers, and everything else, something will probably go wrong eventually, and we'll get to that.
Okay, so Felicia, what does this eufyMake E1 actually print on?
A better question would be, what doesn't it print on? This rock, wood, metal, glass, acrylic, leather, ceramic, canvas, fabric, mugs, tumblers, even wine glasses with the rotary attachment.
Over 300 different materials according to Eufy. And the textures are physical. I mean, you can feel them, like raised off the surface. It's like a 3D print. You can feel brush strokes, wood grain, alligator patterns. It's not a sticker, it's not a vinyl wrap.
It's printed directly onto the object, and you can print raised text up to 5 millimeters using their 3D technology.
Resolution is up to 1440 dpi. The color system is full CMYK plus white and gloss, which matters because you can't really print on dark things without a white layer behind them.
The print area is about 13 by 16.5 inches, and it has 20,000 built-in designs plus AI design tools if you don't have your own stuff, your own designs.
That's a lot. And it has built-in functionality to run regular maintenance checks. The cleaning cartridge, it's in here. It's like an all-inclusive spa module. It cleans, moisturizes, and collects the waste ink, so you don't have to worry about it. If you take a break for more than 24 hours, so what? The printer automatically pampers those print heads with a moisturizing fluid, ensuring that your UV resin inks never dry out or clog. Plus, it uses absolutely zero ink while doing that.
Nice, right? Heading out on a long vacation? No problem. Just hold down the power button to manually pop it into long-term moisturizing mode. Keep it plugged in and enjoy your trip knowing your printer is perfectly safe.
And here's where we're going to be straight with you, because that's really the whole point of our channel.
Ink is expensive. Proprietary cartridges run about $45 each, and the white and gloss go faster than the colors do. So if you're running a high volume print shop, this is a real cost you're going to need to model out.
Print speed is also a little slower than the industrial machines we've seen at trade shows, and the print head needs maintenance, like regular cleaning cycles.
It's also got a 60 millimeter height limit on objects. So if you're trying to print on a big vase or a tall bottle, you're going to hit a wall.
Now that's where stickers come in. I mean, if you can't print on something, print a sticker, and the eufyMake E1 does that too. None of that is disqualifying, but it's good to go in knowing all this.
So who is this actually for? Makers, small business owners, people selling custom goods on Etsy or at a craft fair, anyone who wants to offer personalized products without a commercial print shop markup.
And that's nice. Or anyone who just wants to print raised text on NFC tagged rocks and leave them in shopping centers just to see what happens.
That's right. There's a link in the description. We'll have a full hands-on breakdown coming, including ink cost testing, material comparisons, the stuff that actually matters before you spend $2,200.
But if you've been watching this and wondering when you're going to jump in, the E1 is the answer that actually exists right now, and it's affordable.
Now, eufyMake did send us this unit to review, but all of our opinions are 100% ours.
Here's the super easy unboxing and setup for those interested in that sort of thing.